Yeah. Play me a song.
Playing your personalized station, my soundtrack, from Amazon Music.
Do it a different way. Let's go here then. Fuck it. What? Oh, wait. There it is. Let's go back one. Come on. That sucks. Dang it. Son of a bitch. Oh, God. Motherfuckers. They gotta get out of the way. God damn. There we go. Kill this thing. You know what we're gonna do? It's not allowed. There we go. It's about to get intense. Hold on. It's completely not allowed. Look at the wingspan. You understand? Where we go? We're going out that way. Okay. That makes sense. Uh-oh. It's worse. That's why I told you, you're not supposed to do this. Don't try this at home. You got it? Boom! Ah! Very close. I think we got it. Check that. This one's not so bad. Just gonna do that. Have we done this one yet? That's about right. Should we get it up? And we're up. Fuck this shit. Yeah, we're going. We're gonna try to fly this upside down. It's the biggest plane I got. Get it up. They don't like doing that. We're gonna make it. We're upside down. Can you get it back? Get it back, get it back, get it back, get it back, get it back. Woo, come on. Come on. There we go. We're back. Okay, that was fucking weird. Try it again. Okay. a feeling you were not supposed to get away with doing that.
Amazon Ads helps brands reach new audiences by connecting you with their passions. Brands can be there with fans of Thursday Night Football, streaming exclusively on Prime Video and Twitch. #sports. Or tap into passionate Twitch communities and the creator-first content they love. You can even cozy up on the couch when they stream their favorite shows, or show up in the soundtrack of their go-to playlists. With a universe of touch points that audiences love, you can put your brand in the mix during the moments that matter to them.
Rolling at
Now hit it!
16,000.
Amazon Ads, your brand, their world.
Right now, Save the Children is on the ground in Ukraine, helping children. Your donation to Save the Children can help provide children and families with immediate aid, such as food, water, hygiene kits, psychosocial support, and cash assistance. Ask your smart speaker to donate to Save the Children or visit savethechildren.org/Ukraine-donate for more information. Together, we can protect children in crisis.
We're getting pretty close. I think we're almost there. Are we gonna try that? I think we're close enough. Let's check it.
Let me down easy, for your love for me is gone. Let me down easy, since you feel to stay alone.
Checking the speed.
I know it's all over, but the last goodbye.
We're gonna fly this bitch like an F-22.
Let me down easy. Let me down
One more time.
easy.
Let's check it. Check.
Let me down easy.
Careful on this.
Let me down easy.
Is that good enough? One more. I want to stay upside down for a minute. Stall? No.
When you pass by me, say hello once in a while.
Yeah?
When you play by me, baby, doesn't hurt so much to smile. We promise
Pushing it.
we'll still be friends.
A little dangerous. Come on, let's get over. Coming at you now.
Begging you, baby, let me down easy.
Definitely not supposed to do that. I'm definitely going to check it out. Where we at? Damn it. Boom.